In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your knowledge base in MyMantis.AI. Your knowledge base is what makes your chatbot smart. It's where you store all the information your AI assistant needs to answer your audience's questions. MyMantis.ai gives you 4 ways to build your knowledge base: text, files, YouTube video links, and Q&A. Let's go through each one. The first method is direct text input. Click on the Text tab in your knowledge base section. Here you can type or paste any information directly. This is perfect for your background and credentials, your unique approaches and methodologies, key concepts you want your chatbot to know, and important disclaimers or guidelines. Write in your natural voice, the way you'd explain things to your audience. Be specific rather than general. Click on the Files tab to upload documents. You can upload PDF documents, Word files, text files, and spreadsheets. This is ideal for uploading existing content like your media kit or bio, blog posts you've written, research or reference materials, and course materials or guides you've created. Simply drag and drop your files or click to browse and select them. Click on the YouTube tab. This is where MyMantis.ai really shines for content creators. Click on the Connect YouTube channel and go through the YouTube prompt steps. When asked, select the YouTube channel you would like to have connected and then click Continue. You will then see all of your videos. Select your most important videos first, the ones that best represent your expertise and the questions you answer most often. Click the Save button. The AI will automatically extract the key information from your content. This includes main topics covered, your explanations and advice, examples you give, and your speaking style and approach. The Q&A tab lets you input specific question and answer pairs. This is extremely powerful because you're directly training your chatbot on the exact questions your audience asks. Go through your comments, DMs, and emails to find the questions you get asked repeatedly. Add those here with your standard responses. That's all 4 methods for setting up your MyMantis.ai knowledge base. Use whichever combination works best for your content and start building your AI assistant today.